Hi, so we are seeing a clocks series. Now we are in the last phase of clocks. In this video, we can see faulty clocks. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with this clocks, revise the clocks once from the beginning, then do this topic, do this video now. Okay, faulty clocks. Now see this. We are having two varieties of faulty clocks. First variety. A clock gained 5 seconds in 3 minutes and was set right at 8 a.m. Then what time it shows at 10 p.m. on the same day. Okay, so 8 o'clock it is set exactly. It is what correct time. At 8 o'clock it is the correct time. Then what is the meaning is every 3 minutes the watch gains 5 seconds. Okay, for every 3 minutes the watch is gaining 5 seconds. Means in this interval from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. it will gain continuously. For every 3 minutes there will be 5 seconds gain. So within this interval, how much time it is gaining, or what is the time it is showing in the interval? Okay, now what do you want to do? For every 3 minutes, for every 3 minutes we can do proportion. So proportion means what? A is to B as C is to D. Product of mean value is equal to product of extreme values. So we can use this formula for finding the answers. Okay, product of mean value equal to product of extreme values. Okay, so see this, for every 3 minutes, follow this, for every 3 minutes the clock is 5 seconds slow. So for every 3 minutes the clock is 5 seconds slow. Now then the interval between this 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. is what? The interval between these two is, it is 14 hours interval is there. Okay, 14 hours interval is there into 60. Why I am multiplying 60? Because it is in minutes. Okay, for every 3 minutes 5 seconds slow means for the gap between these two is 14 hours. In this 14 hours we are converting into minutes, means into 60. So what is the gain? What is the gain? So product of mean value is equal to product of extreme values. So what do you want to do? Just 3x equal to 5 into 14 into 60. Correct? 14 into 60. So x value equal to what? 5 into 14 into 60 divided by 3. So if you get the x values 20, the answer is 1400. 1400. Now I want to get that in, it is in seconds, correct? Because this is in seconds, this is seconds. So I will get the answer in seconds. Same units will be there. So I'm getting 1400 seconds. Converting into minutes, 1400 divided by 60, you'll be getting what? 23 minutes, and the remainder is 20 seconds. So what time it shows at 10 p.m. in the morning means actually the time will be what? 23 minutes 20 seconds. So this is the actual answer. But so what time it shows is 10 p.m. means, while showing 10 p.m. this clock, the faulty clock will shows what? 10:23 minutes. Okay, so this is the actual time, but the faulty clock is showing what? 10 hours 23 minutes 20 seconds. That means what? Again I will say this, for every 3 minutes the clock will gain 5 seconds. Means for 14 hours, how much time it will gain? It will gain 23 minutes 20 seconds. You got it? For 3 minutes 5 seconds means for 14 hours means 23 hours 20 seconds. So this is the answer of this question. We'll do one more question. See this, the clock is set right at 5 a.m. The clock loses 60 minutes every 24 hours. Okay, it is set at 5 a.m. For every 24 hours it is losing, it is slow running watch, it's losing 60 minutes for every one day. What will be the true time when the clock indicates 10 p.m. on the fourth day? Okay, for example, today is 5 a.m. first day, from here to here next day 5 a.m., third day 5 a.m., fourth day 5 a.m., and they're asking what? Up to 10 p.m. So total hours between this and this from here to here, this is first day, second day, third day, this is fourth day, Fourth day 10 p.m. So 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours. So 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. is 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 12 plus 1 is 17. If you add entire this total number of hours, what? It is 89 hours. Okay, so 89 hours. Now the question, 89 hours. Now what we can do? Same proportion. So for every 24 hours, the clock is losing 16 minutes. For every 24 hours, clock is losing 16 minutes. Then for 89 hours, how much time it will lose? Okay, corresponding value 24 hours, 16 minutes it is losing. For 89 hours, it will lose how much time? So product of mean and extreme. So x value you get what? It is around 1 hours. It is 59 point something. So around it answers what? 1 hour. So it will lose totally 1 hours. Okay. If the clock shows 10 p.m. but actually the time will be what? It is 11 p.m. Correct? If it shows 10 p.m. it is losing 1 hour. It means what? Actual time. Actual time is 11. It is 1 hour late. It is 1 hour late. So it is showing 10 p.m. Okay. So answer is 11 p.m. is the answer. On the fourth day, instead of 11, the clock is showing 10 because it is 1 hour late. The question is what? It is losing 60 minutes for every 24 hours. Correct? Okay. And second variety is uniformly gaining or uniformly gaining. Faulty clock. A clock which gains uniformly 5 minutes slower at 8 o'clock in the Sunday. Okay, it is 5 minutes slow. On Sunday, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m., it is 5 minutes slow. On the following Sunday, 8 a.m., it is 5 minutes fast. So here 5 minutes late, here 10 minutes fast, 10 minutes fast. At what time it shows the correct time? In some part of time, there will be a correct time. So that is the question here asked. So 8 a.m. it is 5 minutes late. 8 a.m. on the following Sunday, it is 10 minutes fall. That means what? From late, it is going uniformly gaining the minute. In some time, it will touch the correct time, then it will go faster. Right? So you want to find on which time it is showing the correct time. So very simple thing. First step, late is to fast. Find the ratio. Late is to fast. Late is what? 5 minutes. Fast is 10 minutes. If you make a ratio, it is what? 1:2. Okay, so first find the ratio of these two. And the time interval between these 2 hours is what? There will be 7 days. Every day it will be having 24 hours. Answer is 160 hours, 168 hours. So first find the ratio of late and fast, and the time interval between these 2 times is what? 168 hours. Now see this, what you want to do? Correct time. Correct time. So you want to find the ratio. See this, 1 upon 1 plus 2 into 168. In this total 168 hour, while completing the first part, the clock will shows the correct time. Then it keep on increasing, getting the values. You keep on increasing, getting the minutes. So while completing the first part, very very important. Completing the first part, the clock will show the correct time. So 1 upon 1 plus this, you want to add this both 2 into 168. So answer is what? 168 divided by 3. So 5 times and 6. In 56th hour, the clock will exactly show the correct time. At the 56th hour, the clock will show the exact correct time. For example, Sunday 8 to Monday 8, 24 hours gap. Monday to Tuesday 8, 24 hours gap. So 56 means how many gap will be there? On Tuesday, it is 8 a.m., right? All are 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Okay, on Tuesday, we completed 48 hours. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So on Tuesday, 3 p.m., the clock will show the correct time. So here we want to add 8 time. 24 plus 24, 48, 48 plus 8 is 56. So Sunday it's 8 a.m., Monday 8 a.m., Tuesday 8 a.m. Okay. On the same Tuesday, we're adding 8 hours, that is 56th hour. At 3 p.m., the clock shows the correct time. So this is the way to do this question. What you want to do? First make the ratio, that is fast and late, and interval between the two times, and then get the correct time like this. Very, very important. The first part must be in the numerator, total part must be the denominator. I'll do one more question. See this, the watch gains uniformly 2 minutes slow at 12 o'clock in the Monday. On Monday 12 o'clock, it is 2 minutes slow. Okay, and it's 4 minutes 48 seconds. So 4 minutes 48 seconds fast in 2 p.m. on the following Monday. Okay, following Monday. Now, what is the time interval between these two? So totally designed 7 days into 24 is what 168. It is 2 p.m. It is 12. So plus you want to have 2. So 170 hours are there in between these two interval. What is it? Latest to fast. 2 is to 4. 48 by 60. Why are writing 60? Because I'm converting into what? It is converting into minutes. 48 is a second. I want to convert it into minutes. So if we cancel it, it is 4 times. It is 5 times. So 2, 4, 4 by 5. We make a ratio 24 by 5. Cross multiply. 10 is to 24. And then I can write in as a lowest interval as what? Lowest value 5 is to 12. So this is the ratio of late and fast. What is it? First find the late and fast ratio and the interval, then correct time. Correct time is what? The first part. When it completed first part, the clock will show the correct time. So 5 plus 12 into 170. 5 plus 17 into 170. One time, 10 times. On the 50th hour, the clock will show the correct time. On the 50th hour, the clock will show the correct time. See this? Monday 12, Tuesday 12, Wednesday 12. Okay, so this is what 48 hours. Still, I want to make only 2 hours. Total is 50 hours at 24, 24, 24, 48 plus 2 is 50. And Wednesday 2 p.m. the clock will show the correct time. Okay, the Wednesday 2 p.m. the clock will show the correct time. That is the answer. Wednesday 2 p.m. Okay, that's it. This is the end of the clock series. Revise once again. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment. I will do the doubt session also. So if you have any doubt, you can post that in the comment. I will again do the video for doubts. Thank you.